Do you want to improve your home security or want to know when someone has entered the house? I have the right product for you. The Tapo Smart Contact Sensor from TP-Link. Quick mention that you also need to buy a hub from Tapo in order for the sensor to work. Tapo Hub H100. Links for both hub and sensor in the description below. Let's unbox it first and we can install it later when we find out what's in the box. The sensor operates at low power frequencies and cannot connect directly to your Wi-Fi. The main reason you will need a hub is that the sensor itself is powered by a replaceable battery, and in order to prolong the life of the battery, a plug-in hub is necessary. So, in the box we have the main sensor powered by a 2032 coin battery with a magnet on the side, a separate magnet, 3 pieces of 3M sticky pads and user manuals. This device has real-time monitor, instant push notifications, it also works with Alexa or Google Assistant and can be controlled remotely with the Tapo app, available on Google and Apple Store. The second piece is the hub, so let's unbox it. The box only contains the hub and one user manual. You can connect smart switches, doorbells and other sensors up to 64. It has 19 ringtone options and no wiring is required. It allows long-range connections, smart actions and smart alarm. Don't forget to download the app. Okay, so now that we know what's in both boxes, we are going to install the sensor and the hub and set up the app after. We will have to stick the main part of the sensor on the door frame very close to the second part that will go on the door. Done, that was really easy. Now let's plug in the hub and connect them to the app and between them. If you find this video useful and would like to see more, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Now that everything has been set up, let's test the alarm. This was my review for the Tapo Smart Contact Sensor. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.